As always, your conceptual thinking should be with this one understanding. Multi-genius by nature. Genius by retardation. As always, so the class today, or the lesson right now, is going to be about those feet. Feet. Not kicking. Feet is your foundation that upholds your whole body. Those things I just kicked off, shoes, are not good for your feet. Not good for your feet at all. That hat is cool, much science, but we're talking about your body. The least you have on, the better you are. And you like, I'm taking all this stuff off. What does that have to do with the feet? Your feet uphold every single inch of weight on your body. Your body was designed to be with nature. In nature, you walk. In nature, as you walk on the earth, which has no straight form. You walk upon the rocks. You walk upon the sticks. You walk on the hills. You climb on the trees. All of these things make your feet like your hands. But nobody utilizes their feet like their hands. Would you walk around all day with a plate in your hands and trying to move around and grab things? No, you would not. Yet, you walk around in shoes all day long. That's a plate on your feet to separate you from the earth. So this separation from earth is also a separation from your health. You must use your feet on the ground. The dirt is quite nurturing to you. And the dirt is quite nurturing to you. The earth is nurturing to you. And once you put your feet upon it, it blesses you with good health. Now, as long as you're not totally destroying yourself with what you eat, and what I mean, I'm not talking about some level of magnificent herbalist knowledge or super nutrition. I'm just talking about don't eat garbage. Leave the milk and cheese out of your diet. That means ice creams and pizza, all of that clog up your joints. Make it difficult for your joints to move around. So that's an add-on to your ability to have flexibility, which is the point of your feet. You are the master. When your body is in pain, and you do what your body tells it to, then your body is the master of you. But see now, as you go forth in your feet, you tell yourself where you're going to go, and your body will line up. take a day and don't wear any shoes and go somewhere. Your mind tells you what to do. So understand, you have to commit. If you don't commit, then you're fooling yourself and you won't get the benefits. So when you go out for the day, you go out for the day. No shoes. I don't mean shoes in your bag that you can pop out on a moment's notice, because then you're tricking yourself from playing a game with yourself. And you always got that, well, you know what I'm saying, I can do this. When you keep it straight to the point, I'm out here. You know how it is. When you out here, you like, yo, I'm out here. I'm out here. So now, when you go forth like that, with no option, then you let your feet actually relax. And you know what the deal is. Until you come home, you just don't have to rock like that. Deal with it. And this is meant to be done. I'm not talking about go down the block from your house. In the beginning, if this is unfamiliar to you. But in general, like you going somewhere way far off, shoes, no shoes. Your body was not designed with shoes in mind anyway. So break the mental retardation of thinking you must have shoes to go forth. This is also a conceptual understanding. Just as before, in the introduction of this series, you'll see me climbing a wall. Because the wall does not give me a barrier on where I can go. If I'm going straight, I'm going straight. No matter how many walls. Because I go forth. If a wall can dictate where I go, then I am no longer controller of my path. And therefore, by all means, I'm genius by retardation. This is key for all of my people who talk about leg problems. As I said, you're the controller of your body. You tell it what to do, and if you commit, meaning that you meant what you said, as your body see that you mean what you say, it will get into order. That's why many people have addictions and they can't break them, because they say it, but their body know that they're full of crap.
So close.
So now, with the feet, and I will say this very swiftly, this is only a lesson on your feet and understanding who's master of your body. Your feet move and stimulate all of the organs, all of the veins, all of the bone, all things internal within your leg, from the feet to the calf, just below the knee. Feet, just below the knee. That area your feet controls entirely, without any conversation about the connectivity of the bottom of your feet being connected to your whole body. I'm just speaking about the feet. As you go forth, this movement is helpful to organize your internal organs, your internal structure. For those who are not strong enough in mind to walk with their feet, go to the beach. This is a place where you actually get to use all of the muscles in your body, in your foot. Most people do not use the muscles in their feet. Therefore, the deterioration starts at the feet and goes into the body. And eventually, your whole body becomes stiff. Movement is not your friend. this is the reason why, for those who do not live on the beach, participate on the beach, have a good time on the beach, they should, by all means, practice walking without shoes. If you feel that where you at is urban and the land is disgusting, you wear socks. So you won't have the nastiness of the streets on your feet. But if you have good nature around you and a clean environment, use your feet by all means so that you can rejuvenate yourself just by the connection of bare feet on bare earth. From your feet, you can go into your legs or your thighs. From your thighs, you go into your waist. From your waist, upholds all other parts of your body. Your lungs, your chassis encasement that holds all of your good other organs, the ability of your shoulders, arm, and neck. So from feet to thigh to waist to lower organs to upper organs, and then all other things connected.
I can do another after his.
This becomes an internal practice that links you with your mind, because your mind has to control all of these things. When pain or uncomfortability tells you I'm tired, tells you I'm sick, all of these things is when the body is now in control of you, and therefore you cannot be genius or multi-genius because you're not in control. Your body is telling you what to do. You're not telling your body what to do. If the body wants to survive, that means if you get in order, it will get in order. That's why people do amazing things, and then after the fact, they be like, oh,
maybe
I did not know. It's
previously.
because they had something, their mind said, we got to do this. And the body had to go along. But then after the fact, they came back to the natural retarded world, and then they fell to the loss of intelligence over ignorance, and then they let the body take over with suffering. You control your mind through your body. If you do not nurture your body, you do not nurture your mind. Multi-genius by nature, retarded by genius. Please understand. I get back at you, you know what I'm saying, and always keep in mind, conceptual thinking is what will bring you to your divine nature, nothing else.